Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Pop! How are you?
Ganda ng natin, bagong frame.
Of course, kailangan magpasalamat ako sa IC Berlin. O syempre, mahahanap yan sa J. Viñas Optical sa Shangri-La. Agad-agad ang
Tagal
bilis.
na natin sa Viñas, ha?
Of course.
Tagal mo na doon, ha?
Oo.
Ako kaya,
Si Makoy.
kailan kaya nila ako bibigyan? Makoy.
Oh.
Bakit si Bing lang?
Ganun yun. Ganun yun.
Oh, anong pag-uusapan natin?
Maganda yung share natin today. These are personal things that we go through.
Kasi napupuna po namin yung mga sinashare namin, mga challenges sa buhay namin, sa personal life namin. Marami kayong natututunan. We thought of moving one step further. Kung dati mga emotional struggles ang sinashare natin. Ngayon naman, mga medical struggles namin.
Physical
Mga
and
sakit-sakit.
medical.
Especially for people our age, mga after 40.
After 35. After 35 talaga.
50s na, 50s.
Sa araw na to, meron kaming dalawang special guests.
So we invited both our doctors.
Both are doctors to explain to you also the things that we went through and what is the best way to deal with these things.
Ang doktor ko po he's a sleep specialist, also a pulmonologist. Pag gwapo yung pasyente, gwapo rin yung doktor. Mark
Kinalaman ba
Rivera.
talaga yun?
Binabagayan.
Alam mo bang first time namin mag-meet in person?
Yes, online lang kami parate.
High-tech na high-tech.
Yeah, sobrang high-tech.
Ako naman ang kasama ko, ito ang unang-una kong gynecologist. Pero mahaba ang title niya. So mamaya siya na magsasabi. Pero ang masasabi ko, ang title ko sa kanya, hero.
Yeah.
Kasi
Oh,
si
wow.
Nate niya.
That's too much naman, Bing.
Totoo naman, doktora. So,
Tsaka
ladies and gentlemen,
hindi tayo pinaghandaan ni doktora.
Correct.
Parang
Ready?
napakasimple ng
wow!
suot.
Birds of the same feather.
Binabagayan.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Jennifer Jose.
Hello there. Nice to
diba?
be here.
So, Doktora,
Magkakaparkada kami.
Oh, diba?
She was saying na
Yeah.
you have a long
Title.
list of...
Title. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So, can
Please
we...
expound.
Okay. So I'm actually a urogynecologist
Okay.
and a pelvic reconstructive surgeon. I am a robotic, minimally invasive surgeon and also
Grabe.
an aesthetic gynecologist.
Unahin ko na yung sa amin. Mas serious yung sa inyo. Mas serious. My problem is insomnia. Even from my younger days, it's been my problem. I've told Doc my history. Early 2000s, I
Yeah, it
think.
goes back a long way na yata.
Yeah, long way.
Long way.
I was hospitalized already
Yes.
because I've been taking sleeping
Medications.
medication.
Yes.
And yung threshold ko, pataas.
Tumaas na.
As you know,
Yeah.
with anything, with everything, pataas yung tolerance mo
Yes.
for that. Came to a point na sobra na yung
Yes.
Totoo.
iniinom ko
Medication.
because hindi na gumagana. So I was hospitalized, detoxed, and everything. So fast forward, we met on an app. The app is called Now Serving.
Lots of doctors actually nandoon.
Lahat na doon na kayo magzo-zoom sa app mismo. The prescriptions will be sent there. Payments will be there.
Everything is within the app.
Yeah.
Yan. Let's talk about insomnia.
Yeah.
You're a sleep specialist.
Yeah. So, I'm Mark Edison de Vera. I'm an internist, pulmonologist, and sleep specialist.
Internal medicine.
Yeah, internal medicine, adult diseases, pulmo sa lungs,
Yeah.
and then sleep specialist din. So,
Pulmo sa lang. Sa insomnia, namamana ba yan?
So actually multifactorial ang insomnia. So it's actually a disease wherein you're not getting a lot of sleep. Nahirapan ka rin mag-maintain ng tulog. So when you develop a certain functional impairment or parang hindi ka na makapag-function, doon ka madadiagnose with insomnia.
So yung mga minsan lang hindi may mga ano lang.
may ganon.
Walang insomnia.
Yes, pero pag na-affect mo yung daily functioning natin, doon na magkakaroon ng insomnia talaga.
Meron ka talagang insomnia.
Yes, so si Sir Dano, I think nag-develop na ng insomnia. And may iba-ibang causes yan actually. So yung insomnia kasi niya, I think maraming multifactorial din.
Yeah.
So because of his lifestyle or yung kanyang job as a celebrity, it takes him a lot of hours working. So minsan may puyatan.
Nag-uusap nga kami kasi you would recommend
Yeah.
for good sleeping habits. Sleeping at the same time.
Yes, regularly.
Routine.
And hindi
waking up
nag-work sa mga...
I can't do that because my work is puyat ka this
Mahirap.
day,
Correct.
mabawi ka the next day,
Right.
meron ka
Correct.
na naman the next day.
So yun yung better sleeping habit sana. So
Routine.
sometimes kasi, pag hindi na kaya with yung mga habits lang, we always advise patients to help them with medication.
I think I told you this. I think part of what started my insomnia was when I was really young, nanood ako ng horror, mag-isa, horror movie. Na sobrang nakakatakot.
Takot.
Yung mga Filipino, ano sila, Mary Walter. Sila Etang Teacher.
Mas nakakatakot yun.
So, di ba?
Hindi ka talaga
Kahit wala sila sa
So,
makakatulog.
nanood ako mag-isa
Oo.
without parental guidance. After that, I didn't want to sleep because pag kinlose ko yung eyes ko, parang nai-imagine ko. So, if I open my eyes naman, I'm scared of the room.
Yeah.
Parang
Right.
ganun. So na-trauma ako.
In terms of that kasi, pwedeng nung time pa lang na yon, nung bata ka pa lang, meron ka na talagang nade-develop na personality na very overthinker ka. Kasi normally, ang mga bata talaga dapat, automatically, nakakatulog na talaga tayo. We're programmed to get some sleep. Pero I think the mind is doing something on you, kaya nahihirapan ka makatulog. So that's what we're actually fixing right now. Yung very overthinking mind.
Imagine.
Oo, very active talaga
active.
yung mind. ni
Dapat
Sir
nung bata
Doc.
nanonood ka lang cartoon.
I know a lot of people in the business and
Yes.
kahit yung mga common people that have different kind, yung mga nasa call center.
Yes.
Diba?
They don't.
I'm
Silang
sure a
naapektuhan.
lot of people are suffering from this.
I'm
Yeah.
sure a lot of doctors too.
Yes,
Yeah.
yung mga
Kasi
sleep
on-call
deprived.
kayo.
To me, I
It's
think
important.
it's debilitating.
Yeah.
I think it's as important as food.
Yes.
Sleep. Kasi domino effect na siya. Pag wala kang tulog,
Correct.
you can't function well, you can't do your best work. Then-
Correct.
And correct me if I'm wrong, di ba? The time you sleep is when your body basically recovers.
Recover.
Yes.
Yeah.
So on its own. So alam mo yung
Correct.
guguluhin mo yun. Paano?
So para kang
Paano ba?
nagre-recharge
Oo,
actually pag
paano?
natutulog ka.
Paano yung mga coffee drinkers? Like, are you heavily drinking coffee?
Yes, yes,
Oh,
but
yes.
I have a cut-off time na.
Yes. So,
Parang
also,
ganun.
I also
Di ba
advise
yun?
him. Binibigyan
Anong
ko siya.
cut-off mo?
Oo.
Mga 7.
7.
Total late naman ako
Correct.
natutulog.
Sige.
I also advise patients na at least pag iinom ka ng coffee, morning lang sana. Kung hindi man morning lang, at least 2 to 3 cups lang per day. Huwag sobra-sobra. Kasi yung component doon, which is caffeine, it prevents you from sleeping.
Sleeping.
So, hindi myth yun, ah. Yung coffee...
Really keeps you awake.
Yes,
Yeah,
it really keeps you
basically.
awake.
Eto, ingit na ingit ako, Dok. Kasi ito, when she wants to sleep, tutulog na ako.
Ay, nakapareho
Ayun.
tayo.
Lalo na
Di ba
doktor,
masaya?
mainit ang ulo ko.
Maraming patients talaga na yung mabilis makatulog, tapos yung
Oo.
nahihirapan. So may iba-ibang personality din actually.
We recently added something
Yeah,
to my medication.
Yes.
Ano ako, overthinker ako.
Yeah.
I'm a Virgo,
okay.
I'm a perfectionist, I'm a director, I'm a...
Ay, mama-arte.
I'm a
You're
arte.
stressed.
So, inaantok na ako, pero pag higa ako, iniisip ko na, ay, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ano yun?
So yung iba ganyan talaga.
Yeah.
So, we added
Another
something
medication.
to
To lower down that effect na parang ang dami mong iniisip. So
parang to
ino-off.
close the
calm
thoughts.
down.
Yes.
Calm
Parang
down.
mind medicine.
Yes,
Am I
ino-off
correct?
niya.
Hindi ko na,
chemical
hindi na namin
imbalance.
sasabihin kung
Oo,
ano.
yung mga
Consult
gamot.
nyo na lang si Doc.
Yes,
Sabay
baka
na
mamaya-
kagano'n.
Ano kaya yun?
Parang gusto ko yung mind medicine.
Kasi iba-iba din yung gamot per patient.
Disclosure lang.
Yeah.
Doc has been trying to weigh me down.
Yes. Ina-challenge ko siya kung kaya niya.
So, ngayon, binawasan ko ng konti.
Yes.
From whole to half. So, but good sleeping habits muna tayo for
Correct.
those who can't afford medicine. And
yes.
ano,
Pinaka-important na nakukuha natin dapat is to get 6 to 9 hours of sleep.
6 to 9. So,
Sabay napaisip talaga tayong dalawa, Dok. Nakita ka lang.
pero I read somewhere na hindi totoo yung
Yes.
10,
Too much, it's
ano,
not
yeah.
healthy
Too much
din.
hindi rin eh. Becomes
Yes.
sluggish, di
Yes.
ba?
And may mga studies talaga na it affects your health din pag sobrang haba.
Maximum 9 na, Doc, ha?
Huwag masyadong mahaba.
Ang haba ng night.
Yun na nga. Maximum.
Number 2, akala ng mga tao, okay mag-nap, pero you just have to nap 20 to 30 minutes per day lang.
Power nap, di ba?
Power nap.
Huwag masyadong matagal. Because if you nap too long, you won't be able to
To
sleep.
sleep at
Right.
night.
Okay,
That's
okay.
right.
Nagiging counterproductive yun. Number 3, kailangan yung tulog natin, pupunta lang tayo sa bedroom when we're ready to sleep. So, bawal
Yun.
tumambay. Bawal tumambay sa kama.
So, what we did now was,
We remove the TV.
nire-request ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, iba yung
Oo,
TV
Tama
room.
yun.
And usually, medyo boring na yung panoorin natin bago matulog.
Actually, tama yung kay Sir Jano. Bawal lang very stimulating basahin, saka mga papanoorin pag matutulog ka na. Kasi mahirapan ka talaga makatulog, lalo na kung mga action.
Best advice, hawakan na lang ng asawa yung
Yun!
remote.
Kailangan din, you have to remove your clocks. In the bed.
Okay, okay.
Kasi
Nasa
if you look at the
pressure.
time,
So, sumisilip-silip
stress
ka,
anong
masama
oras na
yan.
ba?
Okay.
Oo. So, yun yung medyo mahirap kasi sometimes they hyper-focus on the time.
Right, right.
Ano pa ba? Some people, it helps na nagda-diary sila or they write down their worrying thoughts because that becomes their outlet. So, parang nagiging outlet nila yon para hindi nila isipin yon when they're going to sleep.
Doc, meron ako nabasa na if you want to have good sleep, magpa-araw ka. Meron bang katuturan yun?
Well, actually may katuturan yon, pero ang gusto sana namin is to differentiate night from day. Doon kami nagkaka-problem sa mga shift workers. Kasi pag umaga, natatapos ang work nila, di ba? They're supposed to sleep. Okay? Pero ang nangyayari, nahirapan sila matulog kasi naka-expose sila
Naka-expose
sa
na.
sunlight. So ang gusto namin, pag matutulog kayo, you have to keep the lights off kasi gusto mong i-simulate na dapat madilim. Ano ka, matutulog ka. Then quiet dapat, and then well-regulated yung temperature. So yun actually yung tip ko din.
Colder is...
Colder or sakto lang. Hindi masyadong malamig, hindi masyadong mainit.
Sakto
Medyo-
lang, not freezing.
Nag-away kami nito sa remote.
Bakit gusto malamig?
Itataas. Hindi, gusto niya mainit. Ako gusto ko malamig. So,
Nakatalukbong
click,
ako.
Pag tulog ako,
So mahihirapan
saan
ka
na?
talaga matulog.
Diba?
pag
Pag kinukunin ko yung remote, nababa ko yung
Tapos
temperature.
pag tulog naman siya, ibababa
di
ko.
na-
Tatapat ko sa amin. Food, does it play any...
Yeah, actually, ang mga food na contains chemicals for sleeping includes cheese, milk, tsaka nuts.
To make you sleep.
Dairy
Yeah,
talaga.
Kaya pala you
chemicals.
drink milk before going to bed.
Yes, may chemicals yun.
So may ano...
May katuturan naman lahat ng kinain mo. Cheese, nuts.
I also read somewhere na there is a window talaga na yun yung quality sleep.
Yeah.
What window is it?
Time.
Totoo ba na dapat bago mag 10 p.m. man lang, nakahiga ka na, tutulog ka
there's no
na? I mean, like,
actually-
kung walang sleep problem, on a normal human being.
There's no actual time talaga na maganda matulog. So, may patients kasi who are night owls.
Yes.
Meron din namang early talaga matulog.
Okay.
So, minsan, pag matanda ka na, expected talaga that you sleep much. Hindi
Rico.
not you. You sleep much early compared to other people.
How about when you eat your dinner? Does it affect when it's the timing that you're supposed to sleep?
Usually advise patient na after you eat dinner, you shouldn't lie down right away. Kasi mayroon yung mga effects talaga
Yes.
sa katawan.
Yeah.
So, may effect siya talaga na nakakaantok.
Kunyari, nag-dinner ako lang 7.
7.
Yeah.
So, siguro I should give myself mga 2 hours
Yes,
before.
yes, correct.
So, mga
Before
2
you
hours
lie down.
To both of you, social media now, ang daming mga
yes.
expert.
Oo.
At ang bilis maniwala ng tao.
Yeah.
As a doctor kasi,
Yeah.
I really go for science,
Yeah.
right? It's always good to, hear it from doctors because there is a scientific basis to it. So, you're all guided.
So, better actually to consult your doctor
Yes.
at doon kayo maniniwala sa kanila.
Pero marami sa social media nakabihis na doon. Paano yun? Di
Yung
ba?
iba nga, yung iba nga, AI na lang.
Correct.
So, consult your doctors.
Yes.
para-
I think
Always.
that's good.
Correct.
So is there hope for my insomnia?
Yeah, actually, oo.
Is there hope for him?
So every now and then,
But he's
and
sleeping
also with
na.
other
Yeah.
sleep patients,
Yeah.
Okay.
ang advice namin is to always regularly check with your doctor. Kasi, syempre, I know we're getting a lot of sleep.
Yeah.
Okay? Pero, ang gusto sana natin, you'll be off the medications eventually. Okay? So, it's a constant follow-up, communication. You always check ano ba yung nagkakos ng insomnia niya. Okay? Kasi minsan, something comes up ulit. Baka iba na naman yung reason ng insomnia mo. So, sa kanya kasi, iba-iba ang mga reasons, multifactorial.
Doc.
Remember na kailangan talagang magpatingin sa
Yes.
doctor.
Yes,
Hindi pwedeng inom lang ng inom ng gamot.
Self-medicate.
Yes, yung mga melatonin. Okay lang yung mga melatonin, pero minsan, it doesn't work. So, you really need help.
Doc, may effect ba talaga yung ano?
Yeah, melatonin.
Yeah.
So, melatonin kasi is a dark signal. It signals your brain na, ay, kailangan mo na matulog kasi gabi na.
Sabi na
Doctor, how about ang wine?
Wine,
Marami
yes.
nagwa-wine, di ba? Bago makatulog.
Pero
Pwede.
we don't really advise it
Ah, ah,
before
ah.
sleeping. Kasi nga, alcohol actually worsens a certain type of sleep disorder, which is sleep apnea.
Sleep apnea.
Yeah.
Ayan.
So yun, another
So,
thing that
meron
we're also managing is sleep apnea. So
You were
people who
talking
snore.
about sleep apnea,
Yes.
both of you
Yes.
Right.
backstage.
Yeah, so personally, we also,
We both have sleep apnea.
and we both have CPAP.
And
So
we
we
both
snore.
have- Yeah, we snore.
And we
Naku!
had a sleep study.
I know,
Ito
right?
na.
Mas
Pwede na.
snore din kayo. Who's snoring?
Who's snoring?
Who do you think?
I think it's you,
Loudly,
right?
loudly,
I
loudly.
actually convinced him parate. Pero wala
Parang
pa siya
monster daw eh.
Oo. I will send it to you tomorrow.
Pero
Yes.
nakakatulog ka
Ay,
despite
paano kasi
malakas
naman,
ang
Dok,
snoring.
matutulog ako? May eye mask, may earplug,
Ah.
may border. Kasi,
I think because pagod ako from shooting,
Yeah.
tapos I'm on medication. So
Yes.
deep sleep
Deep,
talaga.
Na hindi mo napapansin
Yeah,
na naggaganon ka.
oo.
Actually, for patients who snore,
Yeah.
okay, who has daytime sleepiness, definitely you need to do a sleep study as well. So yun yung
Sleep
pinipilit
study.
kong gawin kay Sir Jan.
Yun naman.
Ikaw na you use.
Yes, I always use my CPAP. Life-changing siya actually kasi
It's hard.
hard pero
You have no choice. You gotta
you have
do
no
it.
choice kasi it affects your health as well.
Ikaw din, Dr. I
Yeah,
use.
kasi I snore. You know, when you snore, nagkakaroon ng obstruction.
Okay.
So, remember, pag hindi nakakapasok yung air, decrease na ng oxygenation sa brain.
So it affects your
Right.
heart.
Wow,
nasa
chain
stress yung heart
reaction
mo.
din
Yes.
pala
It's
talaga.
hard.
Iba-ibang ano yan, ha? Iba-ibang forms yan, di ba? There's a full mask,
Yeah.
there's
Yes,
a...
nasal mask.
Yeah. So iba-iba. So kung ano yung mag-fit sa'yo, yun yung ibibigay namin sa'yo.
Ako, madali lang yung cure namin eh. Pag sasampalin lang.
Tulog na?
Sipain.
Try ko mamaya, ha? Ako naman, iba naman yung isi-share ko.
Actually, I'm surprised that you're going to share it. But it's
Kasi,
nice.
Doc, the reason why I want to share is, we are at that cute age wherein you experience different pains and aches, and I'm encountering menopause and
Yes.
all of that. So I just wanted to share sa viewers natin na in 2017, I encountered cancer. And that's why I call my doctor here my hero. I was very fortunate that when I went to see her, she knew exactly what to do, what to
Yeah.
check on me.
Pero bakit so? Bakit ka pumunta kay
I
Doktora?
went to Doktora basically because nahihirapan akong umihi. Hindi ako makaihi. Siguro mga 2 days, hirap na hirap ako. Tumakbo na ako kaagad kay Doc. So, nung nagpa-check ako, you gave me some medicines to hopefully makawiwi ako. And then, hindi pa rin nag-work. So, you told me we had to have an ultrasound. And then, nung in-ultrasound ako ni Doktora, meron na siyang nakita. Tapos sabi niya, okay, schedule tayo ng iba pang klaseng ultrasound, yung transvaginal ultrasound. And when she made me do that and checked on me, doon na sinabi niya sa akin, okay, mag-check-in ka na. Ganon. Pasok ka na. Oo, check-in ka na.
Right
Kasi-
away.
Right
away.
After seeing the result.
Right away. Apparently, my ovary was enlarged. And it
It's
was...
actually causing
Okay.
obstruction
Ayan.
to the urine flow.
Yes, it was sitting, 'di ba?
Yes.
On the bladder. And it was very aggressive kasi ang growth nung first time
Yeah.
natin chinek was parang kasi laki ng 3 tennis balls. Tapos nung next
Biglang
ultrasound,
lumaki na siya.
kasi laki na ng ulo ko.
So I think what is very important with what you're sharing to your viewers right now is you really have to do a general check-up yearly.
Yes.
Because like with her, imagine, initially we thought hindi lang lumalabas ang urine. So we know that the bladder is distended, the urine does not come out. But when we did the ultrasound, the ovaries lumaki. And that is the one obstructing.
What are the possible causes of the enlargement?
Let's say, if it's ovarian malignancy, you can have like a family history of
Okay.
ovarian
As a,
pathology.
pwedeng mamana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 2, yung mga multiple injections of hormones.
Okay.
It can actually aggravate conditions or promote you to have an ovarian malignancy.
Nung time na yun kasi I was very busy trying to lose weight. So, be careful on what you put in your body.
Yeah,
Because
that's very true.
that caused my hormones to go crazy. Nabaliw ang mga hormones ko. Kaya nagkaganon yung ovary ko. Especially, there are things you can buy online. Huwag kayong maniniwala, please.
Oo.
Not that I did that, pero ngayon kasi mas madaling makakuha ng,
Yes,
ng
madali.
mga gamot na ganon.
Yung surgery lasted.
I don't know, I was knocked out.
Pero-
We did
What was the
robotics. It
surgery?
was minimally
Robotics na siya,
invasive
grabe.
surgery.
Grabe.
Yeah. Normally, if we know that it is like an ovarian cancer already in the beginning, we're not gonna go for minimally invasive surgery. Normally, we do open right away, no? Yun lang, imagine, no, yung tumor markers are normal. Pero after that, yung paglabas ng final histopath, it came out to be malignant. So I think what is very important also to tell our viewers, kung meron ng problema, huwag ka na maghintay ng matagal.
Yes.
Tanggalin mo na. Kasi
Totoo.
look at with you, it was normal.
Oo.
Normal ang tumor markers, and yet, yung histopath natin, it's malignant.
Different.
After the operation, so
Yeah.
naghihintay kami lahat. Kaming tatlong, ako, tsaka yung dalawang anak namin. Umiiyak na kami, tsaka worried na kami.
Drama talaga sila.
Tapos tinatawag na kami.
Mas madrama sila sa labas kaysa sa
Laging nag-check ako sa phone.
Yes,
sa ano
yes.
lang yun. Sa,
Oo.
kamusta po? Mamaya tumawag na, okay na po. Do you want to see the
Yes.
what we took out?
Oo.
So,
So,
meron.
ikaw, Doc,
Ako din nagpapakita
nakakita
usually,
ko.
eh.
Pinicturean ko pa.
Ha?
Malaki pa, Doktor.
Oo, pero alam mo kasi matagal na, hindi ko na maalala.
Mamaya papakita ko sa'yo, Dok.
Pinicturean ko pa.
Huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi ko papakita sa inyo.
So, using the small camera, ginamit
Yes, yes.
Nung time na ginawa sa akin yun, nakikipag-bargain pa ako kay Doktora noon. Kasi syempre, ang mga kababaihan,
Anong tawaran niyo?
dalawa ang ovaries namin, diba? Left and right. Sabi ko,
Oo.
hala, yung left, yung right lang yung may sakit. Dok, baka pwede pa yung left.
Oo. Gusto niya pa iwan.
Ito na yung panganay kong anak. At bakit? May bala ka pa bang magbuntis? At the age of, gosh, I'm 48.
right? Oo.
Alam mo, napaisip ako ay, wala na po. So, bakit mo ikikip yan? Tanggalin lahat. So, I was medically induced.
Yes, yes.
Total hysterectomy and medically induced menopause.
Actually, it's surgical menopause.
Oh,
Because we
iba na
took it
pala.
out.
Oh, surgery.
Diba? Wala
I
tayong
stand-
binigay na gamot to make you menopause. But once we took out everything, that's
Wala na.
already
Nandun
surgical
na.
menopause.
Oh, may iba pala. May iba pala. I stand to be correct.
Surgical.
Diba?
But it didn't end there. The aftercare was
Yes, because the
kind of grueling. If
Oo,
I
matagal pa
remember.
siya. Because
Yes.
once it came out to be malignant, remember, I'm not an oncologist,
Yes,
right?
we had an...
So I referred to Dr. Aquiliza.
So
Yes.
iba yun. Iba.
Yes, yeah, to do the further management to prevent the spread.
So, from Dr. Jose, I was brought to Dr. Achilisan, who's still taking care of me. Hi, Doc.
Yeah,
Hi, Doc. He told me naman to do brachytherapy.
Ano yun? Ano yung
Brachytherapy is not, it's not
Talaga
chemo.
mas alam mo kay Dr.
Ay, naman sa akin eh.
Alis na kami dito.
Oh, sige.
It's nice to come from
Yeah,
you.
diba?
Oo nga.
Kasi
It's
as a
not
patient,
chemo.
you should know what's happening
Diba,
to your
it's-
body, right?
It's
Yeah.
not chemo.
Oh, it's
So,
not.
at least hindi ako nag-chemo. Pero it's a type of radiation.
Radiation.
Correct? Kasi since tinanggal lahat, I had a stump where tama.
Yeah, vaginal stump. Remember, just imagine, if I'm your uterus, these are your ovaries. My feet, that's the cervix, right?
Okay.
So when you remove everything, after the cervix, it's the vagina. So you have to take care of that area so that there won't be any spread, right?
Oh,
Okay.
So that's when I had to undergo brachytherapy.
Yeah.
Ito yung comedy part ng story ko. So I would go to the clinic. Tapos, mapapansin ko, ang mga kasabay ko, kadalasan mga madre. Meron palaging isang madre doon. So ako yung, sister, gagawin ko. Let's pray.
Bakit mga madre?
Because remember, they did not give birth, right?
Yeah.
So, because of that, ayan na, lumalabas na yung mga problema, yung mga ganyan. So, eventually, when you reach the perimenopausal to the menopausal age group, iba na naman ang problema.
Oo.
Like irritability, mood swings.
Pero ang bata pa to, talagang irritable na.
Hindi mo na masabi kung which is which.
Ito lang.
Talaga yung excuse
With
na lang.
good
yun.
reason.
Ano yung ano mo, yung what's with the hot and cold?
Hot flashes.
Up to this day, I have,
Symptoms.
I still experience
You
hot
still
flashes.
do?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ito,
Yeah.
biglang,
Mainit
nainitan
siya.
ako. Nainitan ako. O kaya, sobrang lamig. Nilalamig ako.
Sila naman
Kami
hindi.
ha?
Pero sabi ko nga, okay na sa akin yung hot and cold flashes kaysa
Ah.
irritable.
Ayaw ni Sir
Diba?
Jano yun.
Pagka irritable siya, inom na ako ng...
Hindi na makikinig.
Ikaw na yung
Ako na magbibigay.
Baliktad.
May version ba ang men of menopause?
Menopause?
Meron
Yes,
bang
it's called andropause.
andropause.
Right? Yes.
Okay.
And then, of course, you'll be masungit also.
Alam mo na,
So we
doktora,
are at that age.
bigyan mo na rin ako ng wala kang excuse. Wala, dadaan ka dyan.
Meron.
Tapos, nadi-decrease na rin yung testosterone.
Yeah,
And then,
yeah.
some would have problems with erectile dysfunction and all this, right?
So, doktora, just like kanina, what is
For women.
the best way for women
Correct.
Right.
to deal with menopause
Yeah.
or to deal with hormonal imbalance?
Okay, well, I think this is the best advice that I could tell you, not only for menopause or perimenopause, but you have to have your regular gynae checkup.
Yes.
Unang-una, hindi mo alam kung may sakit ka talaga or wala eh.
totoo.
So it's always better to be on top of things so that you can prevent this. Now, in terms of perimenopause and menopause, you have to know what you are supposed to be feeling, like what I told you. Meron ka ba talaga nito? Like hot flushes, vaginal dryness, irritation, back pains, joint pains, puro mga inflammation ng feeling. Lahat yan check, di ba? Like now, baka narinig nyo na it's been addressed na you can take hormones already
Yes.
to address all these mga menopausal symptoms. But I tell you, in the clinic that I see, yung mga patients ko ho, hindi lahat ready to take hormones,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And because of that, I see them that, we need to help them address their symptoms. That's why I do a lot of like treatments na non-hormonal. Sometimes I'm also scared to give hormones without test. And, when I give hormones, I make sure that patient will follow up. Kasi paano kung take siya ng take?
Totoo.
Mahirap baka mamaya ikaw pa mag-cause ng problem.
Totoo.
So I want that patient to really come and see me every year. Pero maraming options ngayon.
Actually, agree naman ako
Agree
doon.
ka.
So agree ako doon sa kailangan ma-check yung hormones, okay?
That's
And dapat
true.
mag-follow up definitely.
Oo.
Kasi kung kunyari magkaroon ng problems sa hormones like thyroid,
Yes.
testosterone, punta sila sa internists and then we'll fix kung ano man yung nagiging hormonal imbalance.
What's new in your field?
In aesthetic gynecology, like for the treatment for perimenopause to menopause, I also studied sexual medicine in Hungary, and I just would like to share that a lot of women now have problems in terms of sexual dysfunction. They lack libido, they are not stimulated anymore because the hormones are down.
Okay.
So we also give testosterone for women to improve them in that area, to give them oxytocin. That's actually the love hormone that will make you enjoy
Ano yun?
intimacy
Ano yun,
more.
Doc?
Oxytocin.
Kailangan daw.
Pakilista mo nga yan.
Ordering mo yun. Ordering. Isang oxytocin.
Meron ba yan sa Grab?
Wala.
Who normally loses libido first?
It's actually the women.
The women. Mas
Yes.
maaga.
Yes.
Kaya pala maraming DOM.
Yung pala yung conclusion.
Oo, kaya pala.
Akala ko kung saan papunta eh. Pero that doesn't justify it. Anyway.
I must admit, DOM na ako ngayon. Director of movies.
Yes, correct.
You're so witty.
This is such a, it's
Oo,
not just fun, but really an informative talk with you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Yes,
your time.
Of course, no problem. Kasi we also want to promote sleep health,
Yes,
definitely.
yes.
So, very important ang tulog. Kaya pumayag din ako actually mag-guest dito kay Sir Jano and Ma'am Bing.
Where can they find you if they wanna
Yeah, so you
consult?
can, I have a few hospitals, like Lung Center of the Philippines, you can see me there, Capitol Medical Center, and I have TMC clinics around Quezon City lang din. So, pag sinerge nila ako sa Now Serving, you can see my clinics there.
Well, I am holding clinic at Makati Medical Center and also at St. Luke's Global City. That's where we met, right?
Yes.
And then I also have an Intima V center. That's where I do a lot of aesthetic gynecology
okay.
cases, where my
Intima V.
machines
Yes.
are there. That's at the back of Makati Med. I have a center there where I see and teach a lot of doctors to do aesthetic gynecology, which is very new also in the country.
Nice.
Thank
Thank you
you.
guys.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
For your
you.
time
Thank you so
and
much.
your wisdom. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
And of course, sa lahat ng viewers natin, please, kaumpisa pa lang ng 2026. So, ngayon pa lang, magpa-check up na tayo.
Correct. Oo.
Bago nyo, i-click yung button na yan to subscribe, magpa-check up muna kayo at mag-schedule na kayo sa aming mga doktor, you know.
Yeah.
Alagaan natin ang mga sarili natin, lalo na yung tayong mga nagkakaedad na.
Sana
Thank you.
marami kayong napulutan na aral dito. We'll see you again next week. Next week? Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.